you guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is a DIY lip scrub. These are the ingredients. Enjoy the video. YouTube has plenty of videos to show you guys how exactly to do a lip scrub if you want to see that visual video. So go ahead and go check those out. So now we're moving on to the at-home spa ideas. I just grabbed a few photos to set the vibe for you guys so y'all could get a gist of what the at-home spa should look like. Get you some candles, some oils, some flowers, robe, towels, magazine, anything that makes you feel at home spa-ish. A few plants if you have them, lotions, moisturizers.
Check out at-home spa videos on YouTube for more inspiration. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.